mainly important. So correct mail ID and moreover correct WhatsApp number. Provide your city and then country. Okay, the offer is at 1999. Sorry for that. Kindly wait. Kindly wait. I will talk with my team and come. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, so now the offer is at 1999 only. Really sorry for that. Okay, guys, kindly wait. We will provide you the. Sir, will not see screen till 20 minutes ago. Not forget. I mean, maybe a server issue. Yes. Thank you so much, so nice. Always interested people, kindly wait for that. Okay, so kindly wait. I will tell you. My admin team will shortly change. Will shortly change the offer from 1999 to 888, but the procedure is same. Okay, provide the correct email ID, WhatsApp number, name, city, and finally 30 days FSD intensive. Click the pay button and you can join. Okay, you can pay through phone pay and then GPay. After wait. Now they are changing, I think. Okay. Okay, guys. Yes, change. So now the offer is changed from 1999 to 888. I already insisted my admin team. Yes, the payment link is provided. The payment link is provided. If you need means you can join with us. Otherwise, I need the really interested people because you guys are asking me recording videos and source code. I already provided that, so don't blame me and don't scold me. So because two conditions. So live is completely free. Other things are you can get in the internship. So offer is now at 999. After the payment successful, kindly wait for that. It will available only until next 1 hour. Okay. So because I need the immediate action takers. Those people only can able to move to the further level of their career. Okay. Okay. So people who are thinking will stay at the same place. People who are doing will move to the other place. So internship last day. So two internship will be there. Your data analytics and then FSD. Both will be on same triple nine. Don't need to pay triple nine for FSD and triple nine for data analytics. If you need to join the VIP group directly, so kindly wait on the payment successful page for 15 seconds until you get the VIP group link like this. Last day, if you are ready means, thank you for your time. If you are ready means just type break the rules with one fire emoji. Always break the rules with one fire emoji. And moreover, listen carefully. In the payment link itself, you can get the syllabus, okay? The agenda of full start development 30 days, and then what are the service we are providing, the two intense certificate, lifetime availability, and then 400 FSD plus data analysis interview question, technical material, bonus task, and project source code, recording videos, everything will be lifetime course validity. And moreover, the main thing here is the VIP group, okay? Yes. Right. Wait. That's the English VIP group. Yes. Okay, guys, after the payment successful, kindly wait for the VIP group link. Okay, you will directly join. Yes. Okay, so now don't ask about the doubt related to intensive. We will discuss after the attendance. Now we will purely focus on the coding. Okay. Now listen carefully. There are going to be 5 types of CSS question. Always listen. There are going to be 5 types of CSS question. The first one is default. We don't need to do nothing, okay? So eat 5 star, do nothing. The first one is going to be default, static. The elements stays in the normal page order. First comes first place. Now the static position is the rules, okay? The static position is the rules. We are going to break the rules. How we are going to place a text over another image, an image over another image, okay? So that's why static means we don't need to do nothing because the default one is the static. But the second one and the third one is going to be the important thing, okay? Are you guys? Sir, when will the resume building and career growth session start, sir? Vijay Lakshmi, that is already in our portal, okay? Yes, eat spicy and do nothing. Yes, Kadim, that is a real thing, okay? Now listen, the second and third one is going to be the game changing of our web page. Why, Bernie, this is the game changing means, listen carefully. So, till now, when we provided another division, okay, for example, okay, sir, when we are providing one division over the another division, we cannot able to do that, okay, that will be comes under the first division. So now, the main division is going to be position relative. Okay, the main division is going to be position relative, and then the subdivisions are going to be position absolute. Okay, and same like that. Whatever may be the count. Okay, so whatever may be the count, but the subdivisions are going to be position absolute. How many of you not getting this point? Just type me in the chat box. How many of you not getting this point? Okay. Yes. And Chandramohan, I already told you that this is the last day. I again extended this offer. The payment link is provided. Okay, the payment link is provided. You can join within 8:30 p.m. Okay. Yes. Okay. So many members not getting that. Taurav, Sweta, Anas Gori, and Soumya. Okay, me. Now I'm going to tell you. So relative means our own. Yes or no? Or guys? Relative means, okay, sorry for that. Yes. So relative means our own. So own relatives. Yes or no? Let me know in the chat box. I'm ready for you. What is absolute and relative? Yes, Aarti Devi. I will tell you, okay? Don't worry about that. Relative means our own. Yes or no? So this is my relative house. So this is my relative cousin. So that's why my own cousin or relative cousin. What are we, okay? After today, we can't join the internship. Yes, Siddharth, because the internship is for only day 1, day 2, day 3. But still, so many members asking only, I provide the internship again, okay? Yes. So now, why I provided the relative for main division means geometry box. How many of you remember geometry box? Just type me with one heart emoji in the chat box. The nostalgic feeling, okay? So, Bharani, this is my own geometry box. I can place my eraser, the subdivision, okay? I can place my eraser at absolutely where I need, okay? For example, I can place absolutely on the left side and absolutely on the right side, absolutely on the top, absolutely on the bottom, center. You can place your subdivision absolutely where you need. Now you can able to understand why we are providing main division as position relative and subdivisions as position absolute. Now it is clear. Now it is clear means just type super bar in the chat box. Okay. Eraser, scale, and then another main hero, compass, and we can provide pencil. You can provide the pencil. You can place your pencil absolutely on left side or right side or in the center or between left and center. Whatever may be, okay. So that's why the main division, okay. The main division is called as position relative. Okay, we are indicating that. Okay, so this division is my own division. I am the subdivision inside the main division. That's why for main division we need to insist position relative. Are you guys clear? Yes. Yeah, super. Okay, Ravi Kumar and Gauri, everyone super. I hope you understand now the concept. And now inside the main division, listen carefully. You are doing mistake here only. Okay, you are providing the subdivision outside the main division, but we need to provide the subdivision. You can name it as class name Otherwise, you can provide any name, okay? Box 1, box 2, box 3, whatever, okay? I'm going to provide subdivision 1. Okay, I'm going to provide subdivision 1. And for subdivision 2, I can provide subdivision 2, okay? Now, it is going to be named as main division. It is going to be named as subdivision 1, okay? Yes. You can name it as subdivision 2, you can name it as subdivision 3, and you can name it as subdivision 4. Wait, I will show you a magic, okay? Okay, guys. Pranjal Misra, can I get yesterday class recording? Pranjal Misra, I already told you that you will get all the class recording in that intensive, okay? Otherwise, kindly don't ask me recording videos, okay? Yes. Listen carefully. So now, this white color space is my main division. Who is the relative? Listen carefully. This entire white color space is my main division, and my camera space. Are guys, can you able to see me? So just to see me, okay? My camera division is my subdivision. Now ready for the magic. So I can place my subdivision absolutely where I need, okay? Absolutely on the left side. Sorry for that. Absolutely on the right side bottom, or in the left side bottom, or in the top left, or in the top right. I can place my images absolutely where I need, okay? Now you can able to understand why the subdivisions are absolute. So I can able to move only inside my room, okay? So this is your room. It is your own relative room. You can sleep but absolutely where you need. Now it is clear. So clear means just a absolutely clear bar in the chat box. I hope you understand now. So this is a small magic. So I can place my subdivision absolutely where I need. Okay, yeah, Simran Singh. Sogam Rajane. So if you are an intern member, you can find in the portal. Okay, in your portal you can find your recording videos. Yes. Alright, after the payment successful, kindly wait for the VIP group link. So today, for the new members, the offer is available. I will provide you the payment link. Yes. Okay, done. Okay. So listen carefully. Now what I'm going to do here is, so inside this subdivision, I'm going to provide two names. Okay, I'm going to provide two names. Okay, sir. Inside class, okay, listen carefully. Sir, can I join the internship? I'm a first year student. I don't have that. Honestly, you are the blessed people, okay? Yes, always first year student. If you join in a community with more than 1,000 members, means you can make yourself busy and then updated, okay? As I told you before, if you are not updated, definitely you will be updated, okay? So first year students, you are the really gifted peoples. So because you don't need to do the same mistake your seniors do in their past life, okay? Yes. So now listen, always doubt about intent, kindly wait. We will discuss after the attendance. Now we will focus on the real content, okay? So I will clear your doubts after the attendance. Yes. So now we can able to provide two class name, okay? So two or more class name. For example, the box is a class name, and then subdivision one is another class name, okay? The box is one class name, subdivision one is another class name. Without joining, otherwise, as I told you before, kindly don't ask doubt, okay? Without joining internship, will I get certificate? If you have 25 days attendance means, you will have your certificate, okay? So don't worry about that. So now, why we need two class names? Okay, listen carefully. Why we are using two class name means, now listen. I'm going to copy this and paste for second time, third time, fourth time. The common class name is box, but the different class name is subdivision 2, subdivision 3, and subdivision 4. You can use ID name also, okay? You can use ID name also, but it is one of the method. You can use two class name. Why, Bernie, we need two class name means, now listen carefully, dot box. For common programming, I'm going to use the class name box. For specific programming, I'm going to use subdivision 1 and subdivision 2. Okay. So now the width is going to be, we can provide 20 viewport width. The height is going to be 40 viewport height. So this is commonly for all 4 division. Okay. The 4 Italy will be looking same, but the 4 Italy will be not in the same place. Are you able to get the example? Otherwise, the Italy will be looking same, but the location of the Italy will be different. Okay. So now dot subdivision 1, the background color is going to be, okay, uh, red color. Okay, the background color is going to be red color. Here you can see that. Where is your program? Yes. So now the background color is red color. Next one, dot subdivision 2. Okay, so dot subdivision 2. The background color is going to be green color. Okay, or green color you can provide yellow color. So now you can able to understand, for box property, for box class name, the width and the height will be same. But for the different name, the background color will be different. It is clear, me just type clear bar in the chat box. So dot. Now for subdivision 3, okay. So now for subdivision 3, you can provide a background color as green color. Okay, same height, same width, but the color will be different. Okay, and then for dot subdivision 4, you can provide background color as uh, a Dodger blue. Okay, so now the 4 boxes will be same. Okay, yes, Deepika Power, I am paying, sir. Yes, happily welcome. Okay, paid members, kindly wait for the VIP group link. Okay, yes. Now the box 1 will be red color, 2 will be yellow color, 3 will be green color, and 4th will be blue color. So because of the box property, they are all in the same size. For example, you can provide a border radius as 30 pixel, means it will be applicable for all. Okay, it will be applicable for all boxes. Okay, so that's why we are using common class name. Okay, that's why we are using common class name. So one time programming, it will be applicable for all the division having the same name. Okay, but now, so this is called as rules. First comes, first will be the position. Second comes, second will be the position. Third comes, third will be the position. Now what we are going to do? We are going to break the rules. Okay, we are going to break the rules. Okay, sir. Now tell me, what is the answer for this? Okay, so 4 plus 20 plus, okay, so 4 plus 20 plus, and then 4 plus 20 plus 4 plus 1 2 3 20 plus 4. Take your time. Okay, so take your time. So what is the answer? Let me know in the chat box. Always take your time and just type what is your answer in the chat box. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Yes, Pratyusha, 100. Okay, so this 100 is our 100 viewport width. Okay, this 100 is our 100 viewport width. So now, what is the height? Okay, so what is the height? 40 viewport height. Okay, now tell me 100 minus 40 divided by 2. So what is the answer? So now the next question is a simple mathematical question. 100 minus 40 divided by 2. What is the answer? Let me know in the chat box. I am waiting for you. Yes, super. Okay. So Pratyusha and then Simran Singh. Definitely 30 is the answer. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. So here I am going to break the rules. Okay, I'm going to break the rules. So now I'm going to provide Poisson absolute. I'm going to provide Poisson absolute from top. Okay, from top, it is going to be placed at 30 viewport height because the total size is 40. Top 30, bottom 30. So 30 plus 40 plus 30 is going to be 100. Okay, and as we already planned, the first 20 will be placed 4 from the left side. Okay, from left side 4 viewport width. Now see the output. It is absolutely placed. The red colored part will be absolutely placed on the from left side 4 viewport width, from top 30 viewport height. It is clear. So now we go for the subdivision 4, a completely opposite one. Poisson. Okay, so Poisson absolute. From top it is going to be 30 viewport height. But okay, so what is the opposite of left? Okay, so what is the opposite of left? Let me know in the chat box. So what is the opposite of left? Supriya, Divi, and Lagari, and Satya, Ramya, Sarmi, and Pechiambal. Yeah, right. Okay, Sundara Rameso, right. So now the red color part is 4 viewport from the left side, but the blue color part is going to be 4 viewport from the right side. Okay, very simple. Now you can see, so you can place that absolutely where you need. That's why it is called as Poisson absolute. The red color part is from the left side, the right color part is from the right side. Okay, I mean the red color from the left side, the blue color part from the right side. Okay, now already we placed from 4 and then another 4. So now what is the answer of adding 4 plus 20 plus 4? Let me know in the chat box. Or guys, what is the answer of? Because we are going to place the second division, okay? The yellow color part. So what is the answer of 4 plus 20 plus 4? Yes, Anushka, 28. So already there is a 4 gap. The first one size is 4, 20, 24. And we are going to provide another 4 gap. Now listen carefully. For yellow color, I am going to apply the Poisson absolute from top. Okay, from top it is going to be 30 viewport height. From left it is going to be your answer. Okay, so 28 viewport width. Now see the answer. Okay, the yellow color will be placed 4 viewport after the red color. So same like that, okay, same like that. Poisson absolute from top it is going to be 30 viewport height, but it is not from left side, it is from right side, but same 28 viewport width. Now it is super. Always, now it is super. Super means just like wow bar in the chat box. I'm ready for you. So from as we already planned, 4, 20, 4, 24, 24, 24. Okay, we divided the 100 into 4 equal parts with 4 equal gaps. I mean 5 equal gaps. So 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, so now it's time for the awesome moment. You can provide a zigzag also. Okay, you can provide zigzag also. For yellow color, okay, for yellow color you can provide 33. Same like that for blue color you can provide 33. Okay, now you can see a zigzag pattern. Otherwise, can you able to see a zigzag pattern? Okay, so 30, 33, 30 and 33. Okay, so that's why the viewport is very important for our web pages. Okay, the viewport is very important for our web pages. So you can provide 33 or 35, whatever may be. But now I'm going to show you one of the biggest twist. Okay, now listen carefully. I'm going to show you one of the biggest twist you never expect. So what is that means? What is that means? Inside the box, okay? Inside the box, I'm going to provide font size as 100 pixel, okay? I'm going to provide font size as 100 pixel. The color as white color, okay? The color as white color. The font weight, okay? The font weight as bold. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the the font size. Till now I'm not providing the font, okay, inside the division, but that is wait for the twist. The font size is going to be 100 pixel. The color is going to be white. The font weight is going to be bolder, and moreover, I'm going to provide a flexible property. Okay, the display flexible. I make the font flexible, and moreover, I'm going to align item center from left to right also. Listen carefully. From left to right also, the font is going to be placed center. And then justify content center means from top to bottom. So align item is for left to right. Justify content is for top to bottom. Further, we need to provide the flexible. So now listen for the twist. So inside the subdivision 1, I'm going to provide the Z, and subdivision 2, I'm going to provide the O, and subdivision 3, I'm going to provide the H, and subdivision 4, I'm going to provide the O. Are you guys ready? Zogo. So now it is super. So now it is super means just type your comments in the chat box. We can go for font size as 200 pixel, okay? Yes. Or a 250 pixel. So now the Zogo is placed perfectly, okay? The Zogo is perfectly placed. Need time to copy the program. Madanika, as I told you before, this is a simple program. Don't worry about that. You need to be good at listen and then take notes. Yes, wow, it's interesting. The Zogo is here, okay? So that's why we are using Poisson absolute and then Poisson relative. I hope you understand now. And we can change the background color as a little bit a white color, okay? So now it is even more good for Zogo background. So EZOHO. So always now we can able to understand why we are using relative and why we are using absolute. It is super means just type wow Barney with one fire emoji in the chat box. We created a simple front page for Zogo without knowing. Okay, so without knowing, I make you to create. So Zogo is created, and now we are going to add some another logo here. Okay, the subdivision 5. Listen carefully. I am going to add the another subdivision. So DIV. Okay. The class name, okay, the class name is going to be subdivision 5. Listen, the class name is going to be subdivision 5. Inside this subdivision 5, I am going to provide an image tag, okay. So inside the subdivision 5, I am going to provide an image tag. Can you please show how to make zigzag? Visual SP, simple thing. Give the height irrelevant, okay. So 30 for first one, 33 for second one, 30 for third one, and 33 for fourth one, okay. Yes. Now, inside the subdivision 5, I'm going to call Zogo logo PNG. Alright, guys? Okay, we need to change the color. Okay, alright, guys, we need to change the color. So, green color is the second one. Okay, done. So, kindly wait for that. Okay, Control X. Green color is the second one, and yellow color is the fourth one. Okay, wait. So yellow color is the fourth one, and then blue color is the third one. Okay, so we entirely collapse the color code. Now it is looking super. Okay, even more super. Okay, done. So now what I am going to do here is, okay, so what I am going to do here is, why I am choosing PNG image, okay, or guys, why I am choosing PNG image means it will be without background, okay. So without background we need, here you can see, so before clicking the background will be white color, but after clicking there will be no background, only the square shaped boxes will be appeared, okay. Just to right click, you need to choose this image because with the background will spoil your entire look. We need to select without background image. The copy image address, I'm going to paste here. Okay, I'm going to paste here. Here you can see the Zogo logo will be placed here. Okay, the Zogo logo will be placed here. Now, what we are going to do here is, listen carefully. What we are going to do here is, we are going to resize. Okay, we are going to resize dot subdivision for image. Okay, dot subdivision for image. I'm going to provide the width as 300 pixel means, okay, it is very big. 100, not no, okay, sorry, subdivision 5. Okay, sorry guys, subdivision 5. 100 pixel is very small. We can go for 300 pixel. It is okay. I think 250 pixel will be enough. Okay, yes, 250 pixel will be enough. So now we completed our main division. We can give any height and width. Yes, definitely. Okay, any height and width you can give. Okay, someone now. Yes. So now the main division. Listen carefully. The main division is over. I am going to create another main division. I am going to create another main division. So div, the class name is going to be main division 2. The class name is going to be main division 2. Now dot main division 2. The width is going to be 100 viewport width. The height is going to be 100 viewport height. And background color is going to be black color. So listen carefully. So this is your first viewport, the main division 1. This is your second viewport, the main division 2. The problem here is, listen carefully, you can provide a background color as any other color, okay? Yes. So now, the problem here is, whenever you are scrolling, the logo gets disappear. Or yes, whenever you are scrolling, the logo gets disappear. But now I need to place the logo at the same place. Okay, I need to place the logo at the same place. So for that only we are going to use two another quiz. One is fixed and another one is sticky. Bharani, what is the difference between sticky and what is the difference between fixed? So both two positions are used for same thing. Okay, both the two positions are used for same thing. But what is the difference and what is the need for two